Welcome to our DIY series. Today we'll be starting with beetroot earrings for your hair. Let's dive right in. Beetroot, also known as beet, is rich in vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin C, iron, and potassium, to list a few. And these nutrients help in blood circulation to your scalp, which indirectly stimulates your hair follicles and grow your hair healthy and more vibrant. Every other ingredient used can be seen on the screen. This is a quick boil which takes not more than 5-10 minutes and you can use it instantly on your hair. And the best part is you don't have to wash it off, and no, it doesn't stain your scalp or it doesn't stain your fingers. Beetroot has a high water content, which makes it a fantastic addition to add to your daily hair care regimen. So, what you want to do to get the greatest results is to apply this to your hair every day for a period of 2 weeks or to a month. Beetroot is also known to have some anti-inflammatory properties which can help soothe your irritated scalp and reduce dandruff. And so incorporating beetroot juice or making an infused oil from it, which will come in a later video, can help to promote a healthier scalp and healthy hair and a happy you. Making beetroot juice for your scalp is one of the easiest way you can apply it to your hair, as you don't have to worry about washing it off, which you can easily put in your spray bottle like I did and daily apply it to your hair. You want to make sure it gets into each of your hair strands, or if you just loosened your hair, you just washed your hair, it's the perfect one for you. But if your hair is currently in a protected style, it's also not an exception to not do this every day or every other day. Let me know in the comment section if you'd be trying this out, and I hope it works for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.